I'd like to thank Calvin for another tip recommendation. You also have Louis Farrakhan being Larry Hoover. And I saw the side by side picture on Google. That's all I need to see. They make it obvious in Google whenever you see side by side pictures of that same character. All of these entities are connected to each other. They know everything. That's why they do that all seeing eye symbolism, because they see everything and they know everything. They know everything about me as well, and everything that I've done that was wrong. I believe this is my punishment. I believe that I am Azazel, uh, the name Azazel, that fallen angel. That's why the joke's been on me. This whole world is a stage, layers upon layers of deception, and we're all being deceived, including and especially me. It feels like the Truman Show, and everyone here are actors and actresses. As I stated, nothing is new under the sun. As what you see now always been. They recycle all these characters, and I guess they take a piece of energy, of their energy, and put it in another body. It says the Legion, for there are many. There are many of them everywhere. Everywhere I look, I'm being watched. As I said, they have the power to change their shape, their form. They can change their gender, their race, their height. Stuff that you see on television, even though they're telling lies to our vision, is hidden truth within it as well. Trust me, you all more likely know more than I know, because I'm not 100% right on everything. But I know I'm onto something when it comes to this stuff. And I'll be doing a gematria video comparing my name to other things as well. Now, when I looked up Larry Hoover's birthday, he was born in November. And when I looked up Louis Farrakhan's birthday, he was born in May. That's about a 5 month difference. As I stated, these characters love being born a couple months apart from their other character. That's how they make it. They edit these numbers. So for whatever ritual purposes, whenever their number is called, gematria is basically turning the letters, the words into numbers. In this case, we changing their names into numbers and finding a match. Whenever we find a match, it means there's a connection. That character is also that same character. When I looked up Larry, I got 30 in keypad. And when I looked up Lewis, I also got 30 in keypad. Now this was an obvious match. Whenever they're in the same cipher, that means you have a connection. That character is also that same character. And all of these characters are connected.